So what I'm going to do is quickly walk you through a 15 to 20 minute presentation about what e-commerce is. I know that through the day, you've been hearing from various dignitaries about what the potential of, what's the potential of e-commerce and what it can do to your businesses. I'm going to quickly touch upon some of those, and those that have already been discussed, I'm going to kind of quickly scroll through those. I'm going to intersperse Tamil during the presentation. I hope that's okay with everyone. Before I get started, let me quickly play a video that kind of encapsulates a lot of what you've heard through the day about e-commerce.
Rajiv Distributors established in 1992 with the Casio business. When my son returned from US, immediately he wanted to start his online business.
I mean, there was a lot of talk going on about online sales picking up and in the news and in the ads and promotions. There were questions that how well the online business will do, what would be the potential of it.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Is a strategy everywhere in offline or online. If you don't put more stock, definitely essentially sale will come down. The more you give more choice to the consumer, definitely sale will be more.
Retail shops, we are able to do sales from 11 to 6, but whereas in Amazon we are able to sell throughout 24/7.
Initially we started with Amazon as a market player. Their local executive told us that better you to start with the FBA also.
I think the customer has a lot more confidence when he's buying through an FBA mode than a marketplace. He feels the service will be very reliable and they have got the process very streamlined. So it benefits both the seller and the customer. When we moved to FBA, it was quite magical the way the business took off, and the very next month we started doing in 10 the number of orders when it was in marketplace, and we see that doubling almost every month.
All type of reports are coming in Amazon FBA, and these reports I can really see what is the customer behavior, which days of the week the sales are moving well, and which time is moving well. So accordingly I am also planning my inventory and seeing that my stock is there in it.
So initially my father was very hesitant to get registered online, but once I set up the account and got him registered as a seller on Amazon, and he saw how smooth the entire process was, and now he entirely manages the planning for Amazon sales on his iPad, and I just did the initial setup and is now completely he takes care.
Quickly, the video that we just saw, just a couple of things that came out through that video. One is obviously the fact that there is this fear about e-commerce. Online வந்து நம்ம offline stores, நம்ம offline business ஓட என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Will this eat up our offline business? So even through the day, earlier during the day, discussions la நிறைய வாட்டி அந்த topic வந்தது. So if you actually see, that fear is unfounded. So this is a new channel that today retailers are starting to embrace. Obviously, this is not to say that their offline stores will cease to exist. This is yet another additional channel for them to reach out to a larger set of customers. Amit Sarda, the Soulflower aromatic business that you see outside, அவர் வந்து Amazonல store வச்சிருக்காரு. He sells the products. இன்னைக்கு காலையில அவர்கிட்ட பேசினேன். He basically said one thing. He's gotten orders from about 380 tier 2 towns and cities. Inniki Kalila especially, he said he got an order from Chengalpattu, and he said that he did not know what Chengalpattu was or where it was, and he googled that out this morning, and he said that hey, that's the kind of reach that we're potentially getting through e-commerce. So one, obviously you have your own offline stores wherever you are in Chennai, other places in Tamil Nadu, but online, staying where you are gives you access to an additional set of customers across India. And what e-commerce players today give you is this option to kind of make this experience seamless. While you continue to do what you do best in terms of select the right product, price the right product, ensure the quality is great,